Hello, everybody. It is Sunday afternoon, about 3:30, and it's on the 26th of February, coming towards the end of the month. And the market has come down. The S&P market has come down to a very, very critical point, and it's got to do something here. And it's a question of whether we're going to see a catastrophic break or a rally. Everybody in the world is predicting a break. I see a little tiny bit of evidence for a rally. Pardon me for my voice. I've obviously got a cold. I see some evidence of a rally, but it's pretty slender. So let's run through the plus and minus, the bullish and the bearish case for upcoming action in the S&P. On the monthly, we've come down from resistance very sharply down to test the quarterly and yearly PL dot, and we actually have achieved that. We have achieved the quarterly and yearly PL dot, which is pretty accurate and significant and interesting. Now, if that's the case, we've also hit the monthly PL dot, which is there. But look at strong downflow, strong downflow, strong downflow, but hitting support. Very slender evidence of a rally. One bar up, close inside the envelope, but pretty weak evidence to hang your hat on in terms of a turnaround. The best one could hope here is that we see things go sideways, and we might do that. If we go sideways, we would look to chop around in here, right? Chop, chop, chop. It's possible, chop, 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 for 2 weeks and then move inside the envelope, weekly envelope, and that would be pretty convincing that we're at a support that is holding temporarily. Right now, there's almost no hope that this is anything but something that's going to continue. If you look at the hourly chart, we can see that in the day just passed, should be like roughly 10 o'clock, we started to see a rally, and that's held into the close. But pretty slender pickings if you're looking at the big picture and looking at the understanding that the market is pretty dismal and that the macroeconomic terms are dismal. Looking at the yearly chart here, why would one think that we're going to see a rally here instead of going down to here? Cycle theory says that because really basically what happened from last year, we went up, we're hit roughly a 5.61, which is an indicator of congestion, and it's heading back down now. One would think sort of that we hit the 5.3 or the 6.1 down in the PL, the envelope bottom, and so for the yearly, but could be. That's pretty dismal, pretty dramatic turn to the downside. Everybody and his brother is looking for a downside. I am too, but I'm seeing this little tiny bit of evidence that there's a little bit of sunshine over the horizon. The sunlight's coming up maybe. So is it a storm or is it the beginning of a turn? Can't tell yet. There's not enough evidence, so we're just musing. So that's it for this. Let's get this out to you. I'll take a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll close it off for today.